If you want to connect your Konica Minolta printer to Wi-Fi, here's the simple way to do it. First, power on the printer and make sure it's within strong Wi-Fi range. On the touchscreen, tap Menu, Utility, then go to Administrator Settings. If prompted for a password, many models use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 8 zeros by default, unless it has been changed. Next, go to Network Settings, Wireless LAN Wi-Fi Settings, and choose SSID Search. The printer will scan for available networks. Select your Wi-Fi name, enter the correct password, and confirm. Give it a moment to connect and authenticate. Once connected, print a network configuration report from Menu, then Reports. Check that the printer has a valid IP address. This confirms it successfully joined your network. On your Windows PC or Mac, go to Add Printer. If the printer doesn't appear automatically, choose Manual Setup and enter the IP address shown on the configuration report. If Wi-Fi setup fails, try using WPS by pressing the WPS button on your router and selecting WPS on the printer. If it still won't connect, use an Ethernet cable for a stable wired connection. Konica Minolta printers perform very reliably over wired networks.